It might not seem like it, but warmer weather is ahead, which means it's time to break out those shorts and skirts. And one thing you can do to get ready for that and take care of your health is fixing those spider and varicose veins. Dr. Maria Gomes from Minneapolis Vein Center joins us now. Welcome.
Thank you.
Tell us about your vein center and what sets you apart.
You know, Minneapolis Vein Center is a very comprehensive place where people can go and they are treated individually. We have a team of expert physicians, vascular surgeons, just the staff and the nurses. They will treat you and do what's best for you.
Because this can actually be a serious problem. There's actual vein disease. Tell us about that.
Yeah, about 60% of us walking on the streets have vein problems, and it can go from just simple little spider veins to big ropey varicose veins and even leg wounds that are very, very hard to heal if you don't take care of the problem.
So you mentioned the rope type look. What are the other signs and symptoms so that you know the difference?
Well, it can start from just having heavy, tired legs. It goes to having swelling. The skin can change and have some dark discoloration to it. And again, like I said, it can even break down and have wounds. So that's kind of the really bad spectrum part of it.
Well, we want to give people a look at what you do every day, because laser treatments really do seem to do the trick. We followed a patient through her procedure last week. Let's take a look.
So my name is Beth Horst. I've had ugly veins on my ankles for quite a while now, and I just would like to get them treated.
Hey, my name is Heather Anderson. I'm the cosmetic nurse here at Minneapolis Vein Center. The laser light is targeted over the unwanted veins, and you kind of have to track it along and pulse the laser light along the entire vein that they don't want. The laser itself, the heat causes the blood to coagulate and close off, and then your body has to absorb it.
Because I feel like a laser shouldn't hurt at all, but maybe it will feel like a tattoo if I've ever had a tattoo. Maybe just like a little tiny pokes in the skin. But
there's some minor discomfort, so people need to sometimes take little breaks in between. It feels a little bit more intense than a rubber band snap. It sort of feels like little nerve pain, but it's like immediately at that time, and it's very short-lived, but sometimes the heat can build as you move along the vein.
Well, right now it's probably about 4. I mean, it's not terrible. It's just more immediate. So it's like it happens, but then it goes away.
Anytime people have a possible medical condition with venous insufficiency, it's best to get an ultrasound of the legs, because that's the only way to diagnose that medical problem. Because if I were to treat veins with either sclero or laser and they have an underlying medical condition, the success of the cosmetic treatment won't be as successful. So the best thing you did was treat your medical problems, and then now come in for cosmetic treatments.
For the cute stuff.
Yeah, to make your legs look better.
Woohoo! Woohoo is right. We are back with Dr. Gomes. I do have a couple questions. One, we talked about the pain. Are people given anything if they want it, or is it not that bad?
Yes, no, we do give a little Valium for most of the procedures that we do, although some of them are just with numbing medication.
And how many procedures do people typically need? Is it ever a one and done?
You know, we try and do it in the least amount of procedures. Insurances do sometimes make us break it up so that they are paying for it, but we try and make it as the short amount of time, and the short amount of downtime afterwards. All these new procedures are very minimally invasive, so people are doing their things they want to do very quickly.
Oh, good. That was my other question, is the downtime. That's great. So many things have been advanced now to make that so much easier for people in their busy lifestyle. So we thank you so much, Dr. Gomes. For more information on their free screenings and that limited time offer of 10% off your first cosmetic treatment, hopefully that's it, visit mplsvein.com.
Minneapolis Vein Center sponsored today's segment.